Tramontina miniature circuit breakers are of the thermomagnetic type, ensuring protection against overload and short circuit, in accordance with the standards of NBR NM 6898 and Inmetro Ordinance 129/2022. They can be assembled and dismantled individually on a 35mm DIN rail, without the need to disconnect the bus bar nor use tools. They have lateral thermal relief that improves heat dissipation, optimizing overload protection performance and increasing the breaker's service life. They feature a circuit breaker status window. Green indicates that the circuit is off, and red indicates that the circuit is live, allowing for a quick visual inspection. Tramontina offers 4 lines of miniature circuit breakers in single pole, 2-pole, and 3-pole options. The C-curve TDJ3 line offers rated currents of 2 to 63 amps and rated short circuit capacity of 3000 amps for main voltage of 220 over 380 volts and 5000 amps for 127 over 220 volts. The C-curve TDJ5 line offers rated currents of 2 to 63 amps and rated short circuit capacity of 4500 amps for mains voltage of 220 over 400 volts. The C-curve TDJ6 line offers rated currents of 2 to 63 amps and rated short circuit capacity of 6000 amps for mains voltage of 220/380 volts and 10,000 amps for 127/220 volts. The TDJ10 line offers rated currents of 80 to 125 amps and short circuit capacity of 10,000 amps. Tramontina miniature circuit breakers are ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial use. In addition, the TDJ6 and TDJ10 lines can also be used in photovoltaic installations. Choose Tramontina products for reliable electrical protection solutions, ensuring safety and efficiency in all installations. Tramontina.